For what value of x is the function above undefined? Well, we know that any fraction that has a denominator of 0 is always going to be undefined. If you don't believe me, try to just put any of these into your calculator. 3 over 0, 4 over 0, x over 0, 8,000 over 0. Anything divided by 0, it's going to give you an error on your calculator because anything divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore, what we want to do is just make sure that this right here will become 0. So let's set this to be 0. So really what this question is saying is, for what value of x will this equal 0? And so we can just solve this out by distributing this first of all. And then we can combine. And now we can factor out the two values. So we want to find two new numbers that multiply to be 4 and then add up to be negative 4. So we have x and x. We can do 2 and 2 and negative 2. And so the solutions of these would be x is equal to 2. So for what value of x is a function above undefined? 2.